This is a full tenderloin. That's right, the filet mignon. And we're currently $14.99 a pound. Look at this guy. I'm gonna cut this up into nice filet medallions and I'm gonna eat these just like I do a steak. Okay, wow, look at all this. It's a sea of meat. All right, let's get these out of the way. I'm running out of cutting boards. Not yet though. This cut of meat is actually my daughter's favorite. I really enjoy it too. It is so tender, so succulent. Okay. Gotta dry this off first. Oh my goodness. Is this real life? Look at this thing. All right, so we're gonna get through this guy. So this again is a filet mignon from Costco Business Center, $14.99 a pound. You guys have all had filet mignons. I'm gonna square it up a little bit. Again, that'll be on today's dinner menu with these other two guys. All right, what do you know, another cutting board. All right, so the fillets I'm gonna cut a little bit thicker. The roast is much smaller by size. So these will be individual. So we're gonna do nice medallions like that. And these are small enough that I can freeze in the same single bag. So I know when I pull the filet out, I've got two nice medallions that will feed both my wife and I. These go just a little thicker. Again, smaller roast size. And filet mignons usually serve thicker at restaurants. All right. Look at this meat bonanza. Wow. So here we got the filet mignon I just cut up. We have the New York steaks. And last and definitely not least, we have the ribeye, grass-fed, grass-finished. This is my steak bonanza. I like getting this from Costco. This all freezes fantastic. And I've got enough meat here for probably 2.5, 3 months. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Leave a like. Consider subscribing if you want to be notified about any future video I put out. And leave a comment. It's very important. It gives me ideas for videos. It lets other people know that there's people looking into this stuff. And your story, share your story. Where are you on your carnivore diet journey? Other people might just key in on what you have to say, and it could mean the difference in their life. Share, please. So you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Check this out. This video is gonna really knock your socks off.